All right, so we're still in South Carolina. Got the opportunity to do some urban wheeling. Obviously, had to come check it out. There's some old trails in between some subdivisions and some schools. Exactly my type of jam, as you guys know. Could not pass it up. Oh wow, check this out. There's like a disc golf course out here. Like every good trail, you end up on the power lines. I love it, nice and hilly. Water crossing. Oh, like a pipeline access trail maybe? Wow, look at this. It's a pretty legit river. We're now next to some highway. Interesting. I love old trails like this. This is the kind of stuff I used to do on the channel non-stop, just like adventure stuff, trying to find trails people don't really ride anymore. But now all I do is mud parks. Oh man, it's cool as shit out here. You can tell very few people come back here. So we're kind of winding along this creek a lot. Oh man. Big washout area. All right, let's see if I can do that on the old Rubicon. Easy day. Well, there's some spider webs back there, and my glasses got ripped off my head. So just like every ride I go on, within the first 10 minutes, I lose a pair of sunglasses. Oh well. Yeah, they're gone. Slick mud up in here. I will say the weather up here has been super nice. It is so hot down in Florida right now. Oh my goodness. Ah, blackberry bushes. It's probably like 75 degrees right now. Beautiful. We are dipping into the river. Uh-oh. Get a little high-centered. You got it. The big rocks in here. Oh, that water feels good. That's awesome. I have no idea where we are now. Another little stream. Oh, a little washed out. These construction workers up here are like, what the hell? So I think we're behind some other school right here now. Another power line trail. Looks like some big transmission lines. Pretty cool. Okay. So there's a lot of washouts and they're hidden by this tall grass, which is kind of sketchy. Nice. It's pretty sloppy, but it definitely has a bottom. And he just disappeared through the trees. Uh-oh. Yeah, these are a lot like my my trails over by SeaWorld. Holy crap. It's like one big washout in the center. So I see there's a truck rut going this way. All right, so I thought there was just one rut, and then I hopped out of it and fell into the bigger rut. Pretty funny. So admittedly, I am taking it a little bit easy on this thing because I have to race it tomorrow, and I don't want to break it. I didn't really bring any spare parts, but so far, axles are holding up good. Gear reduction is working great. I do wish I had a front locker. I'll fix that eventually. It's just funny because the grass totally hides some of these big washouts. Yeah, the Aztecs barely even spin in this stuff. They're hooking up good. These are some huge steel power poles. Jeez. All right, by another highway, and now we're going back into the woods. Cool. The engine braking on this Rubicon 700 is pretty good with the gear reduction. We are going into the tunnel. Awesome. Like the Canaveral Groves tunnel. Little rock section. Little hill climb section. Hell yeah, hell yeah. See what the old Rubicon 700 can do. On mud tires. You guys keep asking for more Rubicon 700 footage, and you're getting it. This thing is actually an awesome trail machine. I'm glad I don't have the XXs on it today because we are doing like some rocky, kind of hill climby play stuff. And I'm just thrilled how well it's doing. Good engine braking, comfy suspension. Power steering would have been nice a couple of times, but it's not like driving me nuts. Definitely rides softer than that Rubicon. This little tunnel is super cool. We're gonna go try to find another little one now. Back in the creek. Nice. Haha. That one's got a lot of that algae in it. Yeah. Trail Hunter 803.